What's up, Braxer? This is Jonah X Cars Superstar. What I'm gonna do for you today?
We're having a Burger King and we saw this and I just wanted John to like drink it for a straw.
We've got barbecue sauce.
Nothing hardcore, it's just like...
Might be pretty disgusting though.
I thought it'd be funny. Whatever's left in the straw you've got to drink as well. Can't just like leave the fucking...
I'll drink your mum's fucking cum.
Go on.
Hair out of the way, because we just fucking washed it.
Obsessive compulsive.
You watching?
Yep.
You recording?
Tonight.
Yeah.
Nancy's at the academy. It's obsessive compulsive.
Oh, you rank bastard. That's fucking sick. Come on, there's fucking loads left, Jack.
I'm getting it, you fucking dick. I actually love barbecue sauce.
Spit in it.
Not in this sort of quantity, probably.
Gone.
You scratty bastard. That's disgusting.
Barbecue sauce.